Dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're gonna talk about the using of the percent proportion. So let's start. Using the percent proportion, remember if I have here A over B, it's here P, the probability over 100. Let's see this by examples, dears. So if he asks me to do 48, okay, is 32% of what number? What are you saying? 48, it's what? It's here 32% of what number? So 48, it's 32% means 32 over 100, okay, of what number here? So it's easy now. Yes, so I'm going to make cross multiplication, and B now is hidden. I want to multiply here. 48 multiplies 100 all over, yes, all over 32. So 48 times 100, and I will add here the zeros, then divided 32. You have here 4,800 divided 32 gives you what? Gives you, okay, let's do it together because the ones who don't know how to divide, 4,800, okay, 4,800 divided 32, okay. How can we do it? It's easy. 48 divided 32, two numbers, okay. 1 times 32, the nearest thing. And I have here 6 and I have here 1. And we have here the 0. Bring down. 160 divided 32, the nearest thing when you try 32, it gives you 5. We try it here. 32 multiplies 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then it gives me here 5. 2 times 5, 10. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. And 1, 16. So the answer exactly 160. And I have zeros. Then I have this 0. We put it up like this. So the answer is 150. This is the value of B. So B is 150. Okay. So 48 is 32% of 150. It's easy. How can we do it again? Remember, if he asks you 48 is what? Is percent or 32% of what numbers? Percent means 32 over 100. Remember to write here the B, the number that you want to get the value of it. A percent is a ratio that compares a number to 100. This is very important sentence to know how can you solve it. Percent also means hundredth with th at the end. Per 100, the sample is of course here the percent as you see. Okay, remember this is the rule, guys. Part over base equal percent over 100 as we here solve with this. Let's see the example. 2 over 5 as a percent. He asks you to write 2/5 as a percent. So we have here 2/5, okay, and I need here to know 100 and the part. So it's very easy to do it. I will multiply 100 times 2 over 5. So 200 over 5 will gives me what? Gives me 40. So P will be 40. In other words, I can solve it. 2/5. I want it as a percent, so I need down to be 100. 5 times what gives me 100? 5 times 20 gives me 100. Here I multiply denominator like numerator. So here multiply by 20. So the answer will be 40. Okay. The easier way you can use. 13 is 26% of what number? The same idea. 13, remember this, guys, is 26%. Percent means here per 100. So what I do here, cross multiplication, I want here B, then I will do it by 100 times 13 all over 26. So the answer will be 50. You can try this. Okay, here express each fraction as a percent, the same idea. Okay, what about the word problem here, guys? A pair of $32 jeans is marked down 40%. What is 40% of 32? Very good question. When I say here, so in this question, how can I do it? I have here 40% of 32 of 32. So 32, I will write here $32 multiply what 40%, it's 40 over, yes, I can hear you, over 100. How can I solve this? I have to, okay, simplify 32 with 100. So divided by 4, divided by 4. 100 divided by 4 gives me 25. 32 divided by 4 gives me 8. Then I have here, do we have here any common between 8 and 25 to simplify? No, we don't. 8 times 40 gives me 320. What about here 25, under 25? So 320 divided 25. It gives me what? I will here make 320 divided 25. 32 divided 25. The nearest thing is 1. 1 times 25, 25. And then I have here 12 minus 5 gives me 7. Then the 0 comes down. 70 divided 25. The nearest thing is what? The nearest thing, my dear students, is 2. 2 times 25, it's 50. Okay, then I have here 20. Okay, we'll write it here. Then I have here 20. 20 divided 25. It can't be. So we add what? We add 0 here. When you add the 0, remember to add decimal point up. 200 divided 25, it's 8. 8 times 25, 200. So we got 0, 0. So the answer will be 12.80 or 12.8. This is the first one. What's 40% of 32? What's the price of the jeans after reduction? So I will do 32 minus 12.8. And we add here 0.0 to make the subtraction. 0 minus 8, it's 10 minus 8, it's 2. 1 minus 2, it can't be. 11 minus 2 is what? Is 9. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. 19.2. Okay, by this we have covered the lesson. I hope you understood everything. If you have question, send me on Google Classroom. Bye bye.